As promised, here is another awesome camping spot that we found in California, right off Highway 395. Check it out. Okay, what's up everybody? As we often say, you have to be flexible when you're traveling like this, and sure enough, as we said we were going to go one place an hour away, we left our one campground right there at Alabama Hills. In fact, you can see we turned right out of the parking lot and we said, let's go check out this area over here, which is Tuttle Creek, and it's about 2 miles away, maybe 3 miles away from where we just were. And this place is pretty awesome. You got a great view of these mountains. And of course, if there wasn't any smoke, you'd see them all in all their glory. But that being said, this place is has water, has a dump station. You pay $5. It's $8 a night. You have a fire pit, which you can't use right now in California, and we also have a concrete table. We have a great spot. As you can see, there's not anybody on this side of us, so just these great views of the mountains. We may stay here a night, may stay here 2 nights. We'll see what happens. But let me see if I can show you the campground real quick. But other than that, it's pretty good. The sites are kind of spread apart, so it's really nice. And they even have portable bathrooms here. Not portable, but they have toilets here as well. So that's it for now. We'll catch up to you. Okay, so we just finished up our morning walk, and as we often do, we make a decision when we're doing our walks. And we were going to stay here 2 nights, but as beautiful and awesome as and it's just we love it here, we're just going to move on. So we're going to hit up.
One of the reasons why is it's getting smokier here. Like, I mean, it's beautiful here in the mountains and the scenery, but at this point you can't really see it because it's just too smoky. And then as we're on our walk, we heard some, like, what is that, an alarm? What is that? What's it called?
I don't know what it is. It's just a
siren. And
it's like a town alert where the town smoke alarm goes off.
Right. So I think it's just time to move on. So anyway, that's what we'll be doing.
We're going to head up to unknown destinations on Highway 395, heading north. All right. We'll see you. Okay, for those that don't know, California is a very beautiful state. Yes, it has its problems, but you know, it's got everything from the oceans to the lakes to the desert to the forests. It's just a beautiful place to visit, and I highly suggest you do it. But the problem for us is, you know, when we're out on the road as much as we are, the hardest thing for us and a lot of RVers is to actually see family. So we made the choice to go home, and here's what happened when we did.
It's her papa. Oh, hello, sweet girl. We're back to see you. Hey. Oh. I missed you so much. I missed you so much. Yeah, it's so nice to pick you up and give you a squeeze. So nice.
Okay, so today's the day we are going to take in our Champion generator to a repair facility. So I'm hoping they're going to be able to fix this. This is at Valley Tool Repair in Sacramento. We'll see what happens. And for those that don't know, I've had a problem with my Champion generator where the turn it off switch doesn't work, and you have to put it on a position where you put it at where it basically runs the gasoline out of the generator, so that way it dies. But it takes like 3, 4, 5 minutes for it to finally die when you do it that way, instead of just turning it off really quickly, and possibly in an emergency where you need to turn it off. So we're hoping this works. We will see. I'll let you know. Okay, well, that was quick and an epic fail. They told me it would take them 3 to 4 weeks before they can even look at it. And that's not going to work for me. So I'm going to have to call Champion back and see what they're going to do, because that's really not acceptable. So we'll see what happens. So as far as buying a Champion generator, I don't know, guys. It's not looking so good. You might want to pick up a Honda or Yamaha or something else. I don't know. We'll go from here and let you know. Another Champion generator update. Well, since I can't get my generator fixed, I'm getting my oil changed. What else am I doing today? Changing my tires. After 55,000 miles on these Continental highway tires, I'm going with an all-terrain tire. Okay, so I got my oil changed, and we are now at America's Tire getting new tires on the truck. Like I said, I got 55,000 miles on my 60,000 mile Continental tires, which are really highway tires, but we're going to put on some all-terrain tires today. Looking forward to it. We need some tires, more safety as we go down the road. I'll show you real quick what my tires look like. Not that they're that bad, but the tread on the side is starting to go. Oh, look, a nail. Nice. Didn't even see that there. So it's time to change them. All right, so I just got the new rubber put on the truck. Got it washed. And what a difference, huh? I can stick my whole finger in there. Pretty happy. 60,000 mile tires every once in a while. Okay, guys, that's going to do it for this video. Thanks for following us. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.